Hey there, listen up, because today I'm hitting you with the truth about your story. If you're stuck, if your story isn't manifesting what you want, then you need this wake-up call. I'm laying out a checklist to revolutionize your approach. Let's get into it. First off, structure. Is your story in the present tense? Make sure you're saying, I have, this happens, I am. It's got to be your reality now, not some distant someday. And hey, strip out the negatives. Your story should be a powerhouse of positivity. Keep it concise yet detailed. You've got 2 to 3 minutes to paint your life in bold colors. Make every word count. Be specific. It's not just a car, it's that yellow Porsche with black seats you're after. Now, this is non-negotiable. Do it every damn day, rain or shine, whether you feel like it or not. The key to success is doing what others won't and doing it consistently. Visualize it. When you tell your story, see it, feel it, smell it, be there, and get excited about it. I mean physically pumped. Your life is freaking awesome. Feel that thrill. Belief. This is where the magic happens or doesn't. You've got to believe in the story you're telling yourself. Every word, every detail. It starts the moment you change your narrative. Remember, every thought, every word is creating your reality. So what's it going to be? The same old negative tale or a new story of success, power, and fulfillment? Choose your story, live it, breathe it. This is your checklist, your roadmap to turning your story into reality. No more excuses. It's time to rewrite your life. Are you ready? Let's do this. Change your story, change your life. Out.